everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our new kit, Serendipity. It is a beautiful kit and I'm going to take you through all the value you get in this kit. Okay, so first of all, you've got the creative cuts, whole bag of the creative cuts. You get the Wavy Words acrylic stamp, a full packet of the metal embellishments of the gorgeous little metal hearts, a little mini mark making stencil, which is our doily stencil. You are getting a packet of our new paper doily flowers. There are 50 pieces in there, 25 of the 3.5 inch and 25 of the 4.5 inch doilies. You get some of our muslin, which is like 1 meter by 1 meter. You get so much muslin. We have got our gorgeous little iridescent rhinestones, the crystal ones. You have got some cute little tags. These are just some craft tags on corrugated, just to add some texture. You are getting a black sparkle brush. You guys adding this up, there is so much value in this kit. You are getting a full embossing folder. This is our napery embossing folder, makes great card backgrounds. You are getting a laser cut. This is the best day ever laser cut with that beautiful flourish and the sign that says best day ever. You're getting some of our lace, beautiful little lace. This is our Serendipity lace, of course. And the magazine comes in the kit with lots of beautiful layouts that the design team girls have done. Full step-by-step instructions, as you can see. Another beautiful one by Tian, Hetty. They are super gorgeous. Charmaine Shah joined us as a guest this month. This is one of my favourite layouts. Isn't it adorable? And it says adore. More gorgeous layouts. And in the back, we have got cards. So lots of beautiful cards as well as layouts in this magazine. Of course, you've got our cut apart sheet, which works with our essential dyes 1, 2 and 3. And the watercolour cut apart sheet, which works beautifully with our watercolour markers. There is 1 sheet of this shimmery pearly cardstock and 1 sheet of our watercolour cardstock, and of course the full packet of our papers, which on its own is $28. So this kit is jam-packed full of stuff. If you are wanting a kit, this is the one to get. So that is everything included in the kit. It is just $49.95 on our website, or you can subscribe. Oh, that's a tongue twister, to save every single month, and then you are guaranteed to get a kit. Thanks guys, I reckon this is a great kit to start off the new year. A new year full of awesome products coming your way. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon. Bye.